How to use Phantom Wallet for NFTs 2026. So to use Phantom Wallet for NFTs 2026, head to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then download Phantom Trade Markets to your device. Once you download it, open the app and then choose to create a new wallet. Now you can choose continue with email or a traditional 12-word secret recovery phrase. Tap on create a recovery phrase wallet to use the traditional 12-word secret recovery phrase. Now buy crypto directly inside the app using MoonPay, PayPal, or Robinhood, or transfer it from an exchange. Now to buy and store NFT, connect to a marketplace, then approve the connection and view your NFTs. Once purchased, your NFTs will automatically appear in the dedicated Collectibles tab. In the dedicated Collectibles NFT tab. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next